Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Oasis Typhoon car wash at the Lone Star car wash.
Now your destination is on the left.
Is this a 4-bar system?
Yeah.
And have we ever been to an Oasis system ever?
No. Okay, good.
YouTubers,
it looks like it's not broke.
We drove 45 miles, did we, to get here?
Right.
So everybody better appreciate it. Which one? The first one to the left or second one?
Second base, look to the left. We ain't going in this one for now.
Right.
But we'll...
Here we are. This one.
Touchless. Oh, it's an Oasis XP actually, which is rare. Thought it was a Typhoon for a minute in the distance.
Is this even better?
We'll see.
Okay.
This is like totally covered and shaded.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay. Here's the menu. You know what I hope? Hopefully the pay station works because it's a long way.
Yes, it is. And it looked like, let's see, can we do cash or do we have to do...
You have selected the Ultimate Car Wash. Please deposit $15. Please select your change. If you would like a receipt, press refund now. Your receipt is printing. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Where the menu on the fancy one is really fancy. You want me to film? You want me to show you the menu? If you hand me the camera, I will.
Back a little bit.
Oh, I can see it from here.
Yeah.
Now you blocked it. Go forward. Right there. See, YouTubers, the menu on the touch one is fancy, and this one I think the owner did by crayon.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not really crayon. That's even laminated.
Hey Mom, this is better than that lady that lied on the phone in Fort Worth.
Oh,
Lord.
goodness, that was just horrible.
Yeah.
Well, here we go.
And Dad, and I think soon we'll come back here with the Silverado for the touch bay next door.
Oh yeah, we should rush out for that. And would that also be an Oasis?
It's a D&S IQ Soft Touch for the
Sensor. Stop.
Perfect. All right. And here we go.
Let's hope this thing does a good job because this is a long way.
Yep.
Backup camera for you.
Looks like it's not spraying anything, but it better.
Should it be
Because-
spraying, or does it start in the back?
Let's see.
I'm hoping at $15.
Did we get some
Right.
water? There it is.
Get something.
Yeah, you can see it in the
barely
rear
even spraying.
camera.
Right.
It's pre-soaked and we didn't get any of that. That's $2 that one bag.
Right.
Or maybe this is pre-soaked.
I
Okay.
detected something.
What?
Our cameraman's mask has gentler straps for the ears.
You can't get those anymore.
Right.
Oh,
And they're not gentler.
they look thicker and
same
softer.
ones. They're all the same. They are. They really are.
So far, so good. Pretty thorough.
Yeah.
Let's see, what are we on?
Trifle should be coming.
Yep.
This is
Blaster. Oh, pre-soak again.
Back to pre-soak.
Look at the colors.
Hopefully this one
in the
sprays a
rear
lot of
view.
foam.
You think maybe it got a little confused?
It may have.
Yeah.
Double pre-soak. Okay. Maybe that's how you get your $15 worth.
Ah.
Yeah. Oh look, spin the wheels.
Oh yeah. Okay. What's the next cycle? Wheel wash is coming up next?
It was same blaster.
That's high pressure.
Yeah.
So this is not a
that's-
Typhoon. What is it?
An XP. I thought it was a Typhoon.
Is that better than a Typhoon?
We'll see. Even though the Typhoon has more arms than this one. This one has 2 arms. The Typhoon has 4.
We thought we were going to a 4-arm system.
Yeah.
Shouldn't they give us some money back?
The left arm doesn't move.
Correct.
The right arm moves around. Here.
Right.
I think you'll get a lot of views on this one because it's a rare.
Kind of.
Yeah, in a way. What's that? I was kind of going a little fast for 15.
Yeah, this is going to be 5 minutes.
Oh, look at the camera. It's covering up that camera.
Yeah. That's $15 worth of coverage.
Yeah. You know, it's great that it covered up that camera.
The driver is questioning the value.
We'll have to contact the owner.
At least it hit. At least.
I actually called and texted the owner and got 0 reply. Just to point that out.
Oh, polish.
No, they may be in a surgery.
Ah, very funny, driver. The driver has jokes. I like how you can see the colors from the rear view that sometimes you don't even see when it's in front of us.
Okay, we're back on Blaster. Okay.
Okay, spot free.
Okay.
That spot free better do a good job.
Is this freshwater or recycled?
I didn't smell anything, so I can't tell if it's like water.
So there's not a pungent odor?
But that looks kind of gross over there on
Yes.
the wall.
But nothing
You know,
pungent.
I don't get why they don't scrub the bowls. If I had a car wash, I don't want it to be clean.
Is this going to be an onboard dryer or a drive-through dryer?
The drive-through dryer.
So we got to get ready for that.
Yeah.
And I know these things are kind of old and they just put them in here, but
I think it's going to be
It look
dry
gross,
time. Here we go,
doesn't it?
drive
Yeah.
forward. We're losing dryer time.
woo, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go.
Yeah.
And then go real slow through it.
Let's see how long will this last.
Normally a minute. Sometimes we get a minute and a half.
Yeah.
Got a lot of water up here. So we're going back, baby.
Yeah.
Do we have a timer anymore?
Nope. Looks like we don't.
Now we're going forward again, guys.
That was the world's fastest dryer.
Right.
I'm not sure of my rating on this. The dryer needs to be increased to 90 seconds. The owner would
Right.
still
Maybe
be
we just hit the
profitable.
sensor, but we'll just see.
We didn't hit no sensor.
Right.
It may be driver error.
Yeah. Sometimes they tell you not to back up in the dryer, but we decided to try it to see what happens here.
They don't tell you not to back up in the dryer.
Right.
Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Pink spots all
Uh-oh.
over.
Uh-oh.
Does he have a towel?
There's pink spots. Let's see. I know it's in the center console. You know what? Let me inspect the rest of the car real quick. And then I'll get the towel. Okay.
It's gonna dry if you dry.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
just want to get the pink spots off.
Right. Kind of like we did with the yellow spot one time
Yes,
on 407. Remember that?
I do.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye. This was an Oasis XP car wash at Lone Star Car Wash in Mansfield, Texas. Bye.